G'day folks, Tom from Bikebiz Motorcycles here. Today we have the awesome 2022 Suzuki GSX-S750 in a brand new colour, metallic Triton Blue. Now it came out in black and grey last year and we get to see this brand new colour for 2022. We're going to take this bike out of the crate and take a closer look. There you go folks, the 2022 GSX-S750 in all its glory, the brand new colour. Make sure you give one of our sales representatives a call. I'll leave the number here below if you are after any information on this brand new colour. I'm Tom from Bikebiz Motorcycles and I'll see you on the next video.